Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. And the first big update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and this rule played out, perfectly today. So going into the day, this level right here at 690 was considered that area of support, but with the gap down this morning, at that point, you would expect it to act as resistance, and it acted as resistance multiple times throughout the day. So I'm not saying that 690 can't be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did really struggle around that area. And that going forward, that is certainly going to be public enemy number one. That'll need to be broken. So, keep a close eye on 690. And then not that far away, you also have the overarching resistance trend line right there. But as of right now, that resistance trend line is still secondary to that 690 mark. So keep an eye on those couple levels from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support are concerned, it's all about $6.50, and it got somewhat close this morning. The price pulled back, and within the general ballpark, but didn't really hit exactly off or anything like that. But point being, 650 is going to be that level of support that now looks like it could very well be coming into play here. And if the price does go down to 650, you definitely want to see it hold, because if that level does not hold up, then really at that point, next level of support, not until all the way down here in the low $6, which, nobody wants to see the price drift down to that area. But as of right now, so far so good. 650 has been holding up strong, but there's no doubt about it. These highs just keep getting lower and lower and lower. So at some point, the bulls are really going to need to step back up, or else people are just going to start waving the white flag and selling, which will just kind of almost be a self-fulfilling prophecy to keep the downwards trend going. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, overall a pretty rough day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.